Hey folks, welcome back to High Plant Repertoire. Today we are going to make veggie breakfast muffins. I'm going to use egg whites, beefless ground, spinach, bell peppers, onions, and salt and pepper. I start off by cooking the beefless ground and chopping the veggies. While the muffins are in the oven baking, I like to take this time to make some sauce for it if I don't already have some in the fridge. I usually eat these breakfast muffins with homemade salsa or with my homemade Chipotle cream sauce. Today I'm going to pair it with some Chipotle cream sauce. I'll leave a link to the recipe videos for both the salsa and the Chipotle cream sauce down in the description box. Enjoy! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.